Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to design sketch transforms concept into captivating real product images with Stylar AI. And if you're wondering if I have a video about Stylar, yes I do, I have covered this one, so please check it out. But for this video, we're gonna utilize the new feature inside Stylar, and I want to share it to you as soon as possible. By the way guys, you can use this one totally for free. Technically, you have 100 credit that refreshes. I think that would be every month, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong though. And by the way, I've just used my dummy Google account. Speaking of tokens and prices, let's check about the prices for now. So right now, these are the prices. We have standard, professional, business, and team. This is by the way annual, and this is the monthly. If you'll see right here, you only have to pay around this amount if you go annual, and these are the comparison of each of the plans. Right now we have free, which is 30 credits per day, so that is exact refresh rate. The standard is 2000 credits per month, and so on and so forth. I think the most difference here is going to be the project lifespan. It's going to be forever for the paid plans, and then regarding the text to image, it's very limited. As you can see right here, you have unlimited batch jobs, and so on and so forth. That being said, I think the free plan is technically good enough to test the waters. So let's get back to the main dashboard. Now to get started here, there are two options. From home, you can directly choose a ratio, or you can go to projects and click new project. Once you click new projects right here, it will load up and ask for your ratio. Basically, those are the same thing. I'm gonna name this one sample 1, and with that being said, I have a ratio to choose with. Now you can go 1 by 1 or the most famous one, 16 by 9 for social media. I think for Instagram that is gonna be 3 by 4 or 4 by 3, please correct me if I'm wrong. And you can customize your own dimensions by on these options right here. But for now, I'm gonna go 3 by 4, click on apply, and basically this is my 3 by 4. And right now I'm gonna upload an image we're gonna use for this video. Let's start with this little woman right here. It's a sketch of a fashion model right here with this gown or her gown. As you can see right here, it is successfully reloaded. And now you can see the tools here. On the lower side, we have remove object. You have crop, you have all of the tools there. On the left side, you have upload, up to enhance. But for this video, we're going to utilize a specific feature. We're going to be brushing it and drawing sketches to it. But before we do that, let's try clicking this one, image to image. Click realistic, and then add a prompt. Now, please do so, best practice, as I've always say you, or tell you rather. Please type in a prompt that supports your photo or output. As you can see right here, I can type a woman with a red dress or fashion model. But if you're having a hard time, let's just say describing it, click on this auto prompt. Stylar will read the photo, will read the output, and then type its own prompt. Let me try right here. Right now it's clicking auto prompt, trying to read the picture, and typing its own prompt. This will take around roughly 30 seconds. And there we have it. An image features stylized illustration of a woman standing confidently against a backdrop that appears to be splattered with paint. Pretty awesome definition right there. It is really helpful to have your prompt as close as you can be regarding your photo. Please take note about that one. So after doing this one, please you do not change anything here. We just want this to be realistic. Although, if you really want to change your structure match, your color match, and the advanced options right here, please do so. But for now, I think I'm satisfied with what I have right here. I just want to make it realistic. And the submitted jobs are on the right side, currently being started. I can skip the queue, but for now, I'm just going to wait for this one. So welcome back to the video. Right now, here are our 4 designs. We can hover our mouse and choose which one we want to work on with. I think for this one, I'm going to go with this one right here. Or should I say this one? This looks more realistic. I think I'm going to go with this one. Sorry about that. And I'm going to click on double click right here to place on Canva. You can also download it right there if you're satisfied with it, or you can compare the two. Clicking this two right here, you can compare the previous with the final. Also, the layers right here, you can turn off the layer 1 or turn off the layer 2. Basically, you can control them individually. I'm just going to turn off layer 1 there, so to not confuse the AI. So this is the image, I'm going to go with it. And right now being said, just making sure that you have turned off the layer for the previous video or photo. So to get started here, first click on this brush option. Click on draw on Canva. You might ask me, how come we're drawing with it? So the option here helps you create a pattern. That is the main idea of using a brush first. So with that being said, I'm just gonna draw some fringes here, some lines, to help design this one. Because this video is all about sketches, right? Make sure you click on done. By the way guys, you can change your brush size there. Anyway, I'm gonna click on done there so I have those patterns. Next up, click local edit, or on your end, you may see it as generated fill. So with that being said, choose brush. You can choose lasso if you want, or auto. You have union or subtract. However, for brush, I'm just gonna highlight all of my patterns here. So this is the use of highlighting patterns. So this is also the purpose of what we did earlier. This is not just a simple lines. You can do this directly in generative fill, but you don't have a pattern. That's just gonna be by your own preference. So my prompt with this one, I'm gonna call it organza fringe. So light blue fringe, something like that. Click on stylize. So I'm just gonna wait for my new output to be finished. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Right now it seems funny because it only focuses on the legs, but you can choose which one you want here. So there are changes on the few ones right there, but the best one is gonna be this one. Awesome, right? So I double click to apply on Canva. Basically, we're just putting one design on top of the other. That's the idea of stylize here. So you can do a lot here. So don't hold up your creativity. For example, you want to add some patterns. Let me just add in here. And then add some feathers there. Something like that. Or another wings here. But this is just gonna be my skills. If you have a very good drawing skills, you're gonna be good here. But for now, I'm gonna try another example. So I think I'm gonna go back, click projects, create new project. And with this one, I'm gonna name this one car sample. Choose one by one for now. Click on image, add my image right there. So I'm just gonna show you how powerful Stylar is right now, or Stylar AI, in regards to sketches. Same drill. We're gonna make this one first realistic. So click on style realistic. So I don't want to describe this prompt. I'm gonna click auto prompt right there. Wait for it to pop up. And once it's finished popping up or finished generating, I'm gonna click on stylize. So I'm gonna see you once everything is here. By the way guys, there is another one here that I forgot to mention. If you're not satisfied with your images, for example, there is this option that says verify or variation. Right now, I have clicked number 1 earlier, and right now it's currently generating based on this number 1 image. Basically this one right here. So, if you want to vary number 4, this one right here, click simply number 4 there, and then a new job will pop up. Should be around there. There it is. It's currently in queue. And basically, by the way guys, this is number 1, right? The preview. And this is the new variations of number 1. Pretty awesome, right? Now I'm gonna choose here a pretty simple SUV, a pretty simple design here. I'm gonna go with this one. Double click, and I'm gonna show you the layers first. So this is the output, this is the preview. Pretty awesome, right? And now let's draw some sketches. That's the main idea here, right? So I'm gonna draw on current Canva, draw a little white color here. And then I'm thinking what I'm gonna add here. What if I'm click on this one, for example, a line there, another line right here. And basically go on local edit or generative fill on your end. Click brush. I can minimize the brush here. For example, of course, I have removed my lines. So silly about that one. Sorry about that. So don't forget to click done. I'm going to click on this one again, the lines, another line right here. Again, click on done. So don't copy my movements there. You're going to go back and forth, okay? So brush there, and then click on this one. So this is your pattern. But if you don't want to add the app pattern, that is perfectly fine. So I'm just going to name this one fog lamp or fog light. And then that being said, I can stylize. Pretty simple options. So the routine here, first, generate your photo. Once you generate it to a realistic one, draw your pattern. Next up, generative fill or local edit. And basically, these are going to be our results right there. Please notice that this is the fog lamps that have been changed. Pretty awesome, right? Click on there, and you have your own new fog lamps. Now, I want to try another example. One last example for the sake of discussion. So again, click new project. For this one, what if we type in kitchen? I'm gonna do 4x3 here, click on apply, upload my image. So I have a sketch of a kitchen here. So we did dressed, we did car, right now we're gonna do kitchen. So image to image, click on style, realistic, auto prompt again. Really suggest or strongly suggest as best practice to always add a supporting prompt on your image. So stylize right there. Once you're good, wait for it to finish, and I'll see you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Right now, these are going to be our 4 results, and I think I'm going to go with this one right here. Pretty awesome, right? Now with this one, same drill. Once you have uploaded your generated photo, draw on Canva. So what am I missing here? Am I missing chairs? Yes, but this is going to be an island. So I think I'm just going to draw in here a simple basket. Around here, or a plate. I'm going to draw plates here. Something like that. Something like here. And now I'm going to go on done first, of course. Never forget that. Click on this one. And then I'm going to click on brush. Lower its size a little bit to further add it properly. So I'm going to draw this one right there. Another one right here. So I'm going to start drawing here. One here. And then one right there. And basically, I'm going to support it with a prompt. Let's just say plates. Or dinner plates. Something like that. So welcome back to the video. Right now, what I love about this one is there is a zoom in photo on what it looks like. So this last one is weird. The third one or second one is weird. But this two right here even has some food in it. That's a cake. I think that's a sushi. This is pancake and coffee, or a plain cake or bread. So I'm gonna click on this one. Take note, guys, this is currently empty before. Right now we have that. Imagine what we can do and so much more if you're really skilled, right? So the basis here right now, if you're a skilled creative drawer or a writer or basically an artist, you can do so much more here. The sky is the limit for you. Anyway, one more thing before we end this one. Click on enhance if you want to enhance your photo. And basically with that being said, enhance is upscale. So welcome back to the video. Right now this is going to be our enhance. We have 3 samples here. As you can see right there, this is the comparison. So this is the enhance, okay? This is the original. We have 3 choices here to work with. Please notice the flooring first. And then notice the baskets and the food in the table. Really awesome, right? Same goes with this one. And just double click and you have it on your Canva. Simply click on this one to save as image and you have it on your computer with no hassle. So again guys, that's Stylar for you. This is the new feature that I want to share you. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.